operations with fractions 2. We want to write each decimal as a fraction. For the purposes of this lesson, we're going to just approximate, because 0.7 bar tells me that this 7 repeats indefinitely. But again, we're just going to make an approximation of this decimal. So this is read 7/10. So this would be written as 7/10. And again, it's approximately 7/10. In number 16, we want to write 5.2 as a decimal. So 5 is the whole number, and we have 2/10, which is written as 2/10, which can be written as 5, and 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 1/5. On this one, we got 7.1, which is 7 1/10, because it's at 1/10 of a place, and that's our answer. On number 20, we want to write each fraction as a decimal. So we take the numerator, put it inside, the denominator goes outside, and we do our long division. 3 does not go into 2, so I put 0, a decimal, and add a 0. 3 times 6 is 18, and I subtract, I get 2. I add a 0, I bring it down, and 3 times 6 is 18, and we can see that it's repeating itself. So we can write this as 0.6 bar. On number 22, we have 1/2, and we know that 1 goes inside, the numerator goes inside, and the denominator 2 goes on the outside. 2 does not go into 1, so I put 0, a decimal, add a 0. 2 times 5 is 10. We subtract and we're left with 0, so our answer is 0.5. On this last problem, we put the numerator 5 inside and the denominator 9 on the outside. And 9 does not go into 5, so I put 0, add a decimal, add a 0. 9 times 5 is 45. So 9 times 5 is 45. I subtract, I bring down a 5, I bring a 0, I got 50, and we can see that it's repeating itself. 9 times 5 is 45. We subtract, we got 5 left over. So we're going to approximate, or excuse me, we're just going to write 0.5 bar, and that's our answer.